Thanks.
Hey.
That's all right.
You act like it's hot.
It is hot.
Not like it is down in the valley right now.
I know.
It's supposed to be at 80
That's what I heard.
or over 80.
Oops. Okay. I guess you can get off both sides of him and all that good stuff, right?
Oh, yeah.
Can climb all over him
Right.
and do all that good stuff.
Oh, man, I need some
Whoops.
stuff. You didn't get that, did you?
Yes. What else can you do? Pick up his feet.
Yeah, you can pick up his feet.
Okay. Shoe him, no problem. Okay. What else?
You want to take the saddle off, put him out in the middle there and go catch him?
It's up to you.
It's up to you.
I think he's pretty dang gentle. I think this is good.